Hello, my name is Kelly McCown. I'm the teacher, author, and owner of Teaching Math and More LLC. Today on the Teaching Math and More channel, we're talking about how math chats work in the classroom. If you've never heard of a math chat, you might be asking yourself right now, what are math chats? It's a way to implement and explore problem solving through guided discussion and class collaboration. The goal of a math chat is to find out how students are solving a math problem and share the results. Let's look at 3 ways to use math chats in your classroom. At the beginning of class, you can start class by having math conversations. Bellwork is a great way to start having conversations about math. Use one problem about yesterday or today's topic, review with the kids how to solve the problem, and encourage kids to explain and elaborate how to solve the problem to the class. Teacher Station is a great way to talk about math problems. Talking about math problems and sharing with each other how to solve them is important in a math chat. So at your teacher math station, you can have students talk about a problem and how to solve it. This encourages students who might not participate in a whole class discussion because they're too afraid to talk in front of everyone in the class to talk amongst themselves in a small group of just a couple classmates. Developing this skill is important because they're exercising problem-solving skills and communicating how to solve problems. Remember to actively question and talk about why they use a certain method to solve the problem. Lastly, error analysis. So by giving students error analysis problems or the wrong answer to a problem, it's a great way for kids to work backwards to solve the problem. Students have to think critically about the problem-solving process and turn to develop deeper thinking skills about the math concepts. There are 3 things to remember about math chats. First, start simple. You don't need to have elaborate conversations. Try one simple math problem to start with and then work from there. If your students have never discussed math in a classroom setting, they may get stuck. So secondly, use key phrases to help them get unstuck, like the phrase, I noticed that, I disagree with the answer because, or I agree with the answer because, and so on. Giving students a place to start is very helpful. Lastly, encourage students to participate by giving different opportunities for math chats. Not all students will want to participate in a whole classroom setting. They might be more apt to participate if they are given a smaller group setting to do so. Ready to teach for understanding? The Summer Math Workshops is the fastest way to do that, with workshops on math stations, math vocabulary, classroom management, math chats, and math intervention. Be ready this school year with the best tools. Sign up today. The link is available in the comments below this video. For more information about the Summer Math Workshops or anything I've talked about in this video, be sure to sign up for our VIP teacher emails. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you next week for the last part of our series, How to Teach Math for Understanding.